Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about the number one way to turn me off, right? Now, if you don't know me, if you don't know who I am TheFourFiveFour. On this channel, I talk about sex a lot, amongst other things, but that's why the lots of you are here, right? Right. Now, for me personally, and I feel there's a lot of women too, it's the one thing that like really turns me off, like right off the bat, is when you talk sex too soon. I don't like that. I don't like that. And what I also don't like, when you tell me you're attracted to me, tell me you like me, you want to take me out, you want to do all these things, and I say to you, well, I'm not having sex right now, and you still try to push it. No, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. This is one of the reasons why when people slide in my DMs or try to talk to me online, I'm so like standoffish. Like, I'll entertain you for a little bit, maybe if you're cute, but it's not going past a few messages. You're not seeing me IRL at all. Yeah, especially if the conversation, if how you're leading it, oh, you want to get to know me better because you want to try, or oh, I see you talking about all these things I want to see, oh, you look so good, I want you to. No, no, I'm not looking for anybody to try anything with. I've tried everything already. There's nothing left for me to try that I want to try. I'm not interested. I'm not exploring. Please leave me alone. And this goes for both guys and girls. The girls can be very, very, very aggressive. And you guys, if you don't know, now you know. For the ones who already know, you know. I don't like aggressive girls. I like my girls soft and cute, demure. I don't do the aggressive girls. I don't do the raw child girls. I don't do the nuffy feel up. I don't do that. I like my girls quiet. I like my girls seen and not heard. Okay? So if you're trying to look me and you're a girl, please do not come with the aggressiveness, because it's going to turn me all the way off. Okay? Yeah. For the boys, please stop sliding in my DMs and telling me that you want to try this position with me and you want to do that with me. And no, that's the quickest way to turn me off. Like, I don't care what I talk about on here. I don't care what I post on my Instagram. Like, leave me alone. It's never going to happen. It's never going to happen. I'm not looking for a man. I don't want a man. I don't want a partner. I don't want a boyfriend. I don't want a husband. I don't want a sneaky link. I don't want any of those things. Please leave me alone. If you want to buy me things, I'll take it. If if you're one of those boys who like to spend your money on pretty girls, sure, I'll take it. Thank you so much. You know, me and my girls are going, oh, you want to buy us drinks, bottle service? I'll take it. Thank you so much. You want to have a conversation? Let's talk. I love to talk. Sometimes. Emphasis on the sometimes. I'm very moody. I'm very miserable. I'm very sometime-ish. Yeah. But outside of that, please. That is the number one way to turn me off. If you're trying to build something with me, let's say you're playing the long game and you think I'm going to change my mind eventually, right? Starting the conversation off sexually, you're not going to get sex from me. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. You could be the celebrity of all celebrities. I don't care who you are. I'm not having sex with you. Let's just snip it in the bud right there. Okay? Yeah. That's all I wanted to say. That's my PSA for the day. The moment you start speaking sex right off the bat, and not even in the context of just having conversation, because again, I don't mind talking sex. What I don't want is for you to try to convince me to have sex with you, or ask me to have sex with you, or say you want to try something sexual with me. Like, stay away from me, please. I don't want it. I don't want it. And if I ever wanted it, I know where to find it. All right? And I promise it's not you. I promise. It's not you. If you think it's ever going to be you, it's not going to be you. I promise you. All right? All right, Bobby? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like there's something I should have mentioned that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below. If you have the number one thing for you that's a turn off, please leave it in the comment section below. This is just my number one thing. Yes, I talk sex all day. I have books that are written on sex. My last book is a relationship guide. Sure. But do I want to have sex with you? No. I really don't. You're all girls. Bye.